And we do have an answer as to how much time is left and how will we know when the malhama will take place. I want to take you now tonight to the hadith which is in Sahih Bukhari, in which the Prophet said, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, that the river, Sungai river, the river Euphrates, Farāt, which is in Iraq, the river Euphrates will uncover a mountain of gold. A mountain of gold from underneath the river. A mountain of gold. And people will fight over that gold. And 99 out of every 100 would be killed, indicating that this would not be conventional warfare. No. This has to be nuclear warfare for 99 out of every 100 combatants to be killed. And therefore, we would be on fairly good foundations if we were to suggest that the malhama would be fought for the mountain of gold. A mountain rises high up in the sky. Mountain is not a hill. A mountain rises high up in the sky. And so a mountain of gold is going to be a large amount of gold rising high up in the sky and coming out of the river. We have interpreted this using insight. And whenever we offer an interpretation, we say Allah knows best. I say that mountain of gold has already come. And the word mountain here is not literal. The word mountain here symbolizes a large quantity. And it is not the metal of gold, but oil. Oil. And that oil has already come. The last 100 years have been the years of that oil, from that oil basin by the river Euphrates. But why would he describe oil as gold? You need insight here. The answer is that that oil has functioned as gold for the last 40 years, since September 1971, while the ulama of Islam have been eating roti canai and drinking teh tarik. If you have tears to weep, weep. Because he's telling us that that oil is going to be used to function as gold. And that is what happened these last 40 years. The US dollar could never have survived, could never have done all the wickedness that it did these last 40 years if the US dollar had not become a petrodollar. What is a petrodollar? A petrodollar is oil functioning as gold. Gold is money. Gold is money with intrinsic value. Oil has intrinsic value. Those who will fight for the mountain of gold will all be saying, I will be the one who will survive. But the Prophet said that the Muslims who are present at that time should not touch the gold. Should not touch the gold. So if we obey the Prophet ﷺ, the implication would be Muslims would not be involved in fighting, in the malhama. The malhama will involve others who are not Muslims, or those Muslims who disobey the Prophet ﷺ. They will be part of the malhama. And the fight for that mountain of gold is about to take place. And that's the malhama.